my home and I don't feel safe.
Think about someone watching your every move inside your own home. It was the reality for one Collier County mother. She told deputies this man, Flavio Santiago, installed hidden cameras in her home. This disturbing discovery is where we start tonight at 11. I'm Brenna White.
And I'm Peter Bush. Perhaps the most chilling part of the story is that her son said Santiago was watching him too. NBC2's Megan Myers walks us through how investigators say they caught him.
Deputies say Santiago was spying on the family using smoke detectors, planting cameras inside, watching their every move. Detectives found more than 4,000 video and picture files inside one of the cameras.
Kind of gets under your skin a little bit.
A mother lying in bed with her son. His focus wasn't on falling asleep. Instead, it was on the ceiling.
That he wanted to say hi to the camera, so I asked him where the camera was. He pointed on top of my, it looks like a smoke detector.
Detectives later finding 3 of the hidden cameras. They had been recording for several months, recording their most private moments.
With these devices, they're typically set up so that they will then broadcast a Wi-Fi signal. I mean, similar to baby monitors.
The 23-year-old used to live with the victims. He moved out in August.
You know, you watch TV shows with all of this kind of stuff going on, but you don't really feel it so close to home, let alone about a half a mile down the street, so it's a bit creepy.
Moving to Christina Fox's street in Golden Gate Estates.
Does he drive past? Has he put cameras anywhere else? Granted, he's never been inside my home, but what else is he watching?
One of the pictures taken into evidence clearly shows Santiago installing the cameras.
We've seen devices not only in smoke detectors, but they can be put in clocks, in trinkets on a shelf, and so forth.
Tonight, he's in the Collier County Jail facing multiple charges.
I mean, I'm sure he's just one small inch on a ruler's worth of creeps in the area that are doing this, but I'm glad they got one more off the street.
In Collier County, Megan Myers, NBC2.